dear students. Today we are going to see that exercise 2.1 fourth sum. If the perimeter of a triangle is 6 2 by 3 centimeter and the length of two of its sides are 2 1 by 2 centimeter and 3 1 by 3 centimeter, we find the length of the third side. That is your question. So given is the perimeter of the triangle is 6 2 by 3. This is your given, okay? And then they are given two sides. The sides are 2 1 by 2 centimeter and the other side is 3 1 by 3 centimeter. Triangle having how many sides? 3 sides, isn't it? Now the triangle, draw the triangle, and the sides are, first side is 2 1 by 2 centimeter and the other side is 3 1 by 3 centimeter. We have to find the third side. The third side, the unknown value, we have to take x. Okay? The sum of the three sides, we get the answer is 6 2 by 3. That is your perimeter. Okay? And see, the value is a mixed fraction. This mixed fraction we converted into improper fraction. All of you know that formula, isn't it? What is the formula? Whole number into denominator plus numerator divided by denominator. This is the formula. We apply this mixed fraction and get improper fraction. So what is your perimeter value? 6 2 by 3 centimeter. This mixed fraction we converted 2 by 3. The mixed fraction we converted into improper fraction. What is the formula? Whole number into denominator. Whole number into denominator plus numerator divided by denominator. That is 6 3s are 18 plus 2 divided by 3. 18 plus 2 20 divided by 3. Similarly, we have to remain in the two sides. What are the sides? 2 1 by 2 centimeter and 3 1 by 3 centimeter. We converted into improper fraction. Using this formula, whole number into denominator plus numerator divided by denominator. Get the answer as 5 divided by 2. And then same thing we have to do here also. 3 1 divided by 3. The whole number into denominator plus numerator divided by denominator. And 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1, 10 divided by 3. What is given? The given is perimeter of your triangle equal to 6 2 divided by 3 centimeter. And then what is the formula of perimeter of the triangle? You already 6th standard class you studied, isn't it? So sum of all 3 sides. So how many sides are here? 3 sides. And get the answer is 6 2 divided by 3 centimeter. So let x be the third side. See the triangle, we are taking the first side is 2 1 divided by 2 centimeter and the second side is 3 1 divided by 3 centimeter and third side, that is unknown value. That is not given in your sum. So we are taking that is x. And we have to add this 3 sides, that is 2 1 divided by 3 plus 3 1. So the first side is 2 1 divided by 2 plus second side is 3 1 divided by 3 plus the third side we are taken here x, which is equal to, what is the perimeter? Sum of 3 sides, which is equal to, your perimeter answer is 6 2 divided by 3. See, this all are mixed fraction we converted into improper fraction. The previous step, isn't it? We apply the value here. What is 2 1 divided by 2? Get answer is 5 divided by 2 plus 3 1 divided by 3. You get answer is 10 divided by 3 and third side, that is x, equal to 20 divided by 3. That is your mixed fraction answer is this one. And then we have to find only the third side. So x, keep it this side, your left handed side. Remaining this fraction, improper fraction, we move to the right hand side. That sign becomes plus, becomes minus. This plus becomes minus. There is no sign before the number means that 2. This plus becomes minus 10 divided by 3. Now see the denominator, all are different. How it is possible to subtract? It is not possible. So we have to take the LCM of 3, 2 and 3. See here, 3, 2, 3 and 3 and 3, which table it come? It is multiple of 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 2 doesn't come 3 table. So write 2 itself here. And 3 divided by 3, you get the answer as 1. And then here only 2 here. So 2 divided by 2, you get the answer as 1. 1 itself doesn't come 2 table. So itself you have to write down here. And then 3 2s are 6. That is your LCM answer. Now we have to change the denominator by 6. What is the LCM answer? LCM answer is 6. Now see the denominator is 3. We change by 6. So in 3 table, which number you multiply and get the answer is 6. In 3 table, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. So multiply by here 2. The same number you multiply by the numerator also. And see the denominator next fraction is, denominator is 2. In 2 table, how many times? 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Same multiplication of denominator, you have to multiply by the numerator also, 3. And see the next fraction of the denominator is 3. We changed by 6. In 3 table, how many times? 2 times, isn't it? 3 2s are 6. Same number 2 you multiply by the numerator also. That is equal to 20 into 2. 20 2s are 40 divided by 6. Minus 5 3s are, say the table, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 15 divided by 2 3s are 6, minus 10 2s are 20 divided by 3 2s are 6. Now see the denominator, all are same, isn't it? All the denominator having same. Now we have to take the common denominator 6. What are the numerator? 40 minus 15 minus 20. How do you subtract this one? First 40 minus 15. Okay. 40 minus 15, how do you subtract? Here 0 is the smallest number as compared to 5. So we have to borrow here by 4. 4 becomes 3. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 3 minus 1, 2. And we have to another one more subtraction is here. That is the number is minus 20. Now we have to subtract minus 20 and get the answer is 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 2, 0. So what is your answer? It is equal to 5 divided by 6. That is x equal to 5 divided by 6. This is the answer of the third sum. How do you complete the answer? The third side of the triangle equal to 5 divided by 6 centimeter. This is the answer. How do you complete? You have to write the statement and then write the answer. Okay, students? Let us recall the sum. What is given? The perimeter of a triangle is 6 divided by 6, 2 divided by 3 centimeter, and the two sides are 2, 1 divided by 2 centimeter, and another side is 3, 1 divided by 3 centimeter. We have to find the length of third side. We have to find length of third side. So first you have to draw the diagram. The first side, this is your second side, and third side we don't know, that is we take the values x. See that values of the fraction is the mixed fraction. We converted into improper fraction. So we have to mixed fraction converted into improper fraction for the perimeter value, and then two sides of the mixed fraction value we converted into improper fraction. And then we have to write a solution. The solution, what is given, you write in the statement wise. And then what is the formula? Perimeter of the triangle. That is sum of all sides. Triangle having 3 sides. So we have to add 3 sides. that we don't know that unknown third side, that is the x value we have taken here, and then mixed fraction we converted into improper fraction. The previous step I did that, isn't it? And then we have to find only x answer. So x, keep it in your left hand side, remaining the fraction you move to the right hand side, plus becomes minus value. And then see that fractions of the denominators is not same, so we have to take the LCM of this values and get the answer as 6. And then we change the perimeter, we have to change the denominator by 6 equal to, see that denominator is not same, we have to, which number we have to possible for the 6 table, now see the denominator is, we have to change by 6, isn't it? So in 3 table 2 times same number you multiply by the numerator also. In 2 table 6 3 times same number you multiply by the denominator also, and then similarly 3 the denominator we converted by 6, so multiply by 2, same number you have to multiply by the numerator also, and then get that answer. Numerator corresponding numbers you multiply and get answer is 40, 15 and 20. And then see the denominator all are same, so we have to take the common denominator 6, and then we have to subtract the numerator and get the answer as 5 divided by 6. How do you subtract? First you have to take 40 minus 15 and get the answer, and then you have to subtract minus 20 and get the answer. Final answer is 5 is the numerator and denominator is 6. So x value equal to 5 by 6. What is the question? The length of third side. So the length of the third side is equal to 5 divided by 6 centimeter. Compulsory you have to complete with the unit answer. Okay? Students, before we have to enter this topic, note that in fraction, addition and subtraction, denominator do not have same. You have to take that LCM for this plus and minus operator. Okay? And then see the types of applications of fraction. First one is multiplying a fractions by a whole number. This is the first one. Second type is fraction as an operator of. This OF of is represents multiplicative operator. And then third type is multiplying as a fraction by another fraction. See the first one, type is multiplying a fraction by a whole number. Before we have to enter this fraction definition for this method, see this example 3 into 1 by 6, that is whole number into fraction. This type of sum you have to use this formula, that is whole number into numerator of the fraction divided by denominator of the fraction. Now we come to the example sum. See the sum 3 into 1 by 6. 3 is the whole number and 1 by 6 is the fraction. Don't confuse that, it is not mixed fraction. This is the whole number into multiplicative operator. That means you have to multiply the number. Don't you have to confuse. Okay students? Then you have to apply this formula, whole number into fraction. This you have to use this formula. What is whole number? 3. What is fraction for this? Numerator 1 divided by whole divided by denominator of the fraction is 6, which is equal to 1 3s are 3 divided by 6. See this 3 and 6, the numbers are is multiplication of 3 table. So we have to cancel this one. In 3 table 3 how many times? 1 times. In 3 table 6 how many times? Say the table. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. Now we have to simplify this fraction and get the answer as, which is equal to 1 divided by 2. Which table you are using here? 3 table. Okay. Next to see the fraction as an operator of. Of is the, it represents multiplicative operator, that is into symbol. Okay. And see this example sum 9 divided by 10 of 5. Let us come to the solution. Write the question and write the fraction. First 9 divided by 10. OF multiplication. Multiplication into 5. Now see this is the first type, isn't it? Because whole number into fraction. How do you write this answer? Whole number into numerator of this fraction. What is our whole number? 5. And then what is your numerator of the fraction? 9 divided by, then denominator of the fraction is 10. Which is equal to 5 into 9, 5 nines are 45 divided by 10. 45 and 10, it is a multiply of 5 10, isn't it? 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. And then 9 5s are 45. Right here 9. So your answer is 9 divided by 2. So it is a improper fraction. You have to write that mixed fraction is also correct answer. Okay. I say that another method for the same sum. Listen here. You are writing here. See the steps to we have to continue to. I am going to explain the next method. Okay. 5 into 9 divided by 10. You have to directly multiply and simplify. This is the one method. And another method is, see here, this is 5, here 10. So 5 and 10 is a multiply of 5 table. So 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. Which table we are using here? 5 table. You have to compulsory cancel for this, possible for the numerator and denominator of multiplications. Okay? Don't you have to directly you have to cancel this numerator. That is not a correct method. Okay? It's equal to 1 9s are 9 divided by 2. So 1 9s are 9 divided by 2. So both are same method for this sum. Okay? We have to use this one is also correct. This is also correct. Let us come to the third type. That is the multiplying a fraction by another fraction. What is the formula? Product of two fractions, which is equal to product of numerator divided by product of denominator. See this example. 5 divided by 8 into 3 divided by 4. These are fractions, product of two fractions. We have to apply this formula, which is equal to product of numerator means this fraction numerator is 5, this fraction numerator is 3. Product means, so what is the numerator here? 5. This fraction numerator is 3. So product means multiplication, that is 5 into 3 divided by product of denominator is, this fraction denominator is 8, this fraction denominator is 4, that is 8 into 4, which is equal to 5 3s are 15 and 8 4s are 32. So 12 divided by 1, that is any number you divided by 1 and get the answer as same number. Now you get the answer as 12. Because 12 divided by 1 you get the answer as 12. How do you complete this answer? Therefore 16 divided by 3 into 9 divided by 4, which is equal to 12. This is the answer.